July 25th, 2020. On this fateful night, the ship Wakasho grinds to a halt as it crashes into the reefs of Mauritius. The damage? 1,000 tons of fuel oil leaking into the ocean. A catastrophe for this little chunk of paradise. In the dark days that lay ahead, TV screens brought the tragedy directly into the living room with images of dead dolphins and whales. Very grim. Being from Mauritius, I witnessed these horrors firsthand. But this disaster is not an isolated event. Remember Deepwater Horizon or Exxon Valdez? The burning question is then, what can we do about oil spills? During an oil spill event, a lethal oil slick forms along the ocean surface. Ocean currents, like invisible highways, drive the spread of the slick. So, to devise an effective oil spill management strategy, we need a thorough understanding of ocean current circulation. To draw a parallel, imagine battling a wildfire without knowing the wind direction. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly how it is with oil spills and ocean currents. But did you know that we still struggle to obtain ocean current data? It is often sparse due to tedious measurements, expensive equipment, and hostile environments. But what if there was a solution? Picture this magical bird that flies across the ocean, scans the surface, and chirps back ocean current information. Obviously, we don't have that, but I'll do you one better. For my research, I used drones to photograph the ocean surface in Galveston Bay. I then processed these images with my algorithms that detect every wave ripple, every surface feature. The results? Accurate and detailed ocean current data over large ocean areas. With this practical and cost-effective tool in hand, I'm now gearing up to collect larger volumes of ocean data. I will then import these data sets into computer models to create better forecasts of oil slick propagation. And here's the exciting part. Future oil spill events will simply require drone deployment for quick ocean current measurements and oil movement predictions. My approach is instrumental for oil spills beyond just Galveston Bay, every reef and every shoreline. Very much like predicting the path of a hurricane, knowing the oil's trajectory lets us prepare proactively. Like a voice out of history, events at Wakasho serve as a reminder of what we stand to lose if we can act urgently and effectively. When faced with oil slick problems, we need slicker solutions. Thank you.